my gosh, people are...
People are actually stopping.
Wow.
This got really damn dark. I feel like we're in a tunnel.
Maybe we should go tomorrow. Honey, no. Pull over.
Glad I gotta get in front of this guy.
What did we just drive into?
How do they not have a better warning on this?
Can't see anything.
I can't see people with brake lights until they brake.
What are you doing? Let's
I
get
don't know
off.
if it's better with hazards or not, just so people can see where I'm at. See, I can't see that guy until he brakes.
Oh, yeah. There's something about that, though. You're not supposed to... I can't believe all of us are driving into this. Yeah. Oh, my gosh.
It's pitch black.
Yeah, the first...
There's nothing we can do. I'd rather get through it at this point. You can't turn around.
Okay, just be super duper careful.
Yeah.
I just don't want to die. That's all. And you don't know how long it is. Sure you don't want to just turn around and come back slowly? It's up to you if you think you can do it. But like I said, you don't know how long this is.
Right. Let's shut this down.
Someone else is leaving.
Do you want to get off there?
I don't know. It's up to you. If you feel safe, I don't.
I feel like it's going to end up being a car.
I'd rather come tomorrow. There's just no point. We have no reason we have to be here tonight. We can tell Mike that there's no way. Maybe we need to get in that lane with that guy if we're going to turn around.
It's so backed up going back though. Crap.
Why did we drive into this?
Now I don't know where we are. Can you see what Mike just wrote?
Yeah, he said appears to be taking off on time. You have to get on the left, and it's going to give you a chance to get on the other side or go straight.
No, I think we just got off on
Go left.
No, I've been on this before.
Damn it.
Fucking Christ.
I guess we shouldn't have gotten off. What if we get on Maricopa Road?
We gotta Google Map this shit.